So, ito yung sign na parang there's a spark in a real, and this is very undeniable. Sa mga single, this could mean na you're about to meet someone with whom you share your instant connections, no? So, para naman sa mga may relationship, ang card na ito yung parang reminder to nurture the initial chemistry, no? And magkaroon ng excitement that brought you together. As you could see, I think this relationship is been a past life relationship. So, kilala nyo na rin yan. Ibig sabihin nito, parang yung current or yung future mong partner, may deep connections. Kasi nga, it transcend this lifetime. Ibig sabihin, no? Parang nag-continuations lang kayo dito sa present life. So, parang mapipil mo rin na parang sense na parang matagal na kayong kakilala, or sabihin natin, feeling mo is kilala mo na siya. So, yan yung persons na yan, no? Parang ito yung ninisip mo,